for this project, I want to make this. This is a piece that they have at Hobby Lobby. Somebody was showing the new Christmas stuff they had at Hobby Lobby, and that caught my eye, and I wanted to make one. So I used some wood from a pallet that I had outside, and I used my Cameo, and I went into my library and typed in nativity and found the one that I wanted to use. And these are the pieces that I cut out with the scroll saw to make this. And the barn part of the nativity, I just kind of free-handed it and try to figure out what to do with it to get it to stand up and stuff. So I'll show you what I've done after I get it cut out. Alright, here are the pieces I cut. These are what I cut out with the Cameo and used for a pattern, and the star also. And I kind of just free-handed the barn, tried to figure out how to do it. This was all cut with the scroll saw, and these pieces here I just cut out with the miter saw. So I'm going to sand the edges down a little bit and get the splinter pieces off and start gluing it together. This is made out of I went and tore a piece of wood off of a pallet board and traced my patterns on there, and then just come up with how to make the barn. And I know it's early for Christmas, but I like to work on projects, and I like this. So if I waited till later, then I would forget about it and never do it. So I went ahead and made the pattern, and I'm going to put it together and have it ready when Christmas time comes. And I think I'm going to put it above my cabinets. I'm not sure, but I thought it was so cute and I wanted to make it. So I'll be back. Alright, these are the pieces I'm going to start with. You know what? I think I see some pencil mark on that right there. I think I need to get over the trash can and just kind of get some of that off. And hang on just a second, because I want to glue it right. Okay, it's done. Just a little bit. And what I'm going to use is this all-purpose adhesive. It's kind of like an E6000. If I can get it open. And I'm going to get it where I adjust it where I want it. As you can see, I kind of cut these at the tops at an angle so they fit on. And this is the base here, but to get it to stand up, I cut a piece to go on the front side and then also a piece to go on the back side. That way it gives it a thickness and it will stand up. So, but I'm going to have to glue these first and let them dry, and then put these on, and then I'll put the nativity scene in. But I'm going to use this glue here. Okay. Kind of messy, but it'll work. And I'm not going to be able to move it once I'm going to have to let it dry before I mess with it anymore on this part. Alright, a little there. And some here. Can't see. Put the lid on so it doesn't drip. Now I'll fit it down on there where I want it. And that glue really does hold well. Is it straight? Oh, I went and pushed it. Yeah, that has plenty. Okay, I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to glue the last two pieces, or this piece here, and then a piece on the back. And after this dries, and I'll be back. All right, this is how the manger turned out. I did put a coat of yellow paint on the star, just one coat. I like the way it turned out. And this really is a simple project. If you have some old wood or even new wood and want to paint it, you can do that. You wouldn't have to have a scroll saw. You can just do it with a jigsaw. So I hope you all enjoyed this project, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Out again this morning, huh? Yeah.